Firstly, it is necessary to remove the part marked on the original motorcycle image. Install the main body of the modified exhaust pipe. Need to use a wrench for reinforcement. Install the wires according to the routing position shown in the diagram. Reserve a length of 4 to 5 cm for shock absorption and oscillation. During the wiring process, try to avoid high temperatures and areas with high friction strength, such as the upper section of the exhaust pipe and brake pads. The installation of the exhaust main body on the other side is also the same. The wiring on the other side is shown in the diagram. Bind the wires by ties, making them more neat and tidy. Install the controller in the area below the seat cushion. Reference diagram for switch wire wiring. Connect the switch wire on the controller and the control switch wire on the handle. It is necessary to unplug the line segment at position 1 from the motorcycle and connect it to the power cord 2 on the control box. Test the motorcycle exhaust, check if the wiring is correct, and if it can be used normally. After the exhaust wiring is correct, the side with the control button on the switching wire can be installed together with the handlebar. Arrange all coils under the seat. Complete system check. Install the removed components from the motorcycle back into their original positions in order.